I have finally made the right turn and changed everything on the outside of the truck to LEDs. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Zack Attack Customs. Today we are going to go ahead and swap out these turn signals with Lasfit brand, which I finally feel like I've found a really good brand for LEDs. I've got the tag lights on the back of my truck. I've got the rear reverse Lasfit backup lights, LED backup lights on there. Really bright, really great, huge difference. It's very frustrating that Chevy gives you a bunch of LEDs, but they leave out 3 locations on the outside. They leave out the tag lights, they leave out the reverse lights, and also the turn signals. Turn signals aren't a huge big deal if you don't want to swap them out immediately, but if you're like me, it's been frustrating me. I kind of want to go ahead and have everything LED and match. So, but like I said, Lasfit, I feel like I found a great brand. Here's the bulbs. They went ahead and sent me some out to try. And so these are the bulbs. You're going to need a T15 star in order to take some screws out to get to them. I need some channel locks because there's one screw that's a little hard to get to, and just a drill to take the rest of them out. So let's go ahead and get this set up and show you how to install them, and we'll look at them before, we'll look at them together, and we'll look at them finally fully installed. So let's jump on it and get them installed. Okay, so here is the regular halogen bulbs. I've just got the emergency lights on just to give you an idea of what they look like. And this is the before. So let's go ahead and get those Lasfit LEDs installed and check them out. All right, so we're going to start on this side, the left side. You've got to take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out in order to peel the fender well liner back, and that's where your bulb is going, or where you're going to be able to access your bulb. So I noticed here, looks like I'm going to have to take some channel locks and kind of, because I can't stick the drill in there for this first one. So I'm going to go ahead and get that kind of loose. And now I can go ahead and unscrew that. So for the rest of them, it looks like I can use my drill. So, oops. So, get those out. Cut them out. And got that one. All right, so now we're going to just kind of peel this back. So now we can access the bulb. So it's right here, right inside here. So let me get a flashlight real quick and I'll show you all that location. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, so here's the location right here. So I'm going to go ahead and twist that to the left. And then the bulb just comes right out. So I'm going to take this bulb out. We're going to put the bright LED in there. And before I do the other side, let's check them out both together, see what the difference is. All right, guys, so once we get this out, you just want to pop that bulb right out. And we're going to install this bulb, and we're testing the durability of these bulbs because I accidentally just dropped it on the floor, so on the concrete. So let's see if she works. So slide that in. So now to reinstall, we're just gonna, like I said, peel this back, take this, and twist it right in. So going to go ahead and turn on the emergency signals and we'll see what they look like together. All right, guys, so here's the emergency lights on, and see if you can tell which one. The Lasfit is definitely brighter, and it actually blinks a little bit quicker too. So definitely an upgrade. It looks like a premium bulbs in there now, so that's pretty cool. And I now know that Lasfit bulbs can withstand a 6-foot drop test because it is still working. So excellent. So let's go ahead and jump on the other one, and we'll see them both flashing together. All right, so I've went ahead and taken the screws out of this, and I wanted to show y'all exactly where the location of this light is. So I've peeled it back, and the light is right here. So we're going to twist that counterclockwise, and we're going to pop it out, put the new Lasfit bulb in, and we're going to see both of them light up. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll show you. Okay, so I've got this peeled back. So right here, we're going to twist this to the left, and that pulls right out. And so I'm going to take this bulb out, put the bulb back in like on the other side, and I'm going to take this bulb and stick it straight back in there, and it'll go in like that. And now you see you need to turn it to the right. All right, so now that's reinstalled. So let's turn them on, check them out, and see how much brighter they are. And also, before I was able to, just a heads up or a tip, use one of these, and that way you can peel the liner back and it's not in your way. It's less annoying. So, all right, so let's get back to showing y'all what they look like. Okay, guys, so there you have it. The Lasfit bulbs are shining nice and bright. They're definitely flashing faster. It's going to grab people's attention, so this is going to be safer. Definitely a more premium look to the truck. Thank you, Lasfit, for for finally finishing all the LED bulbs that should have been installed in the first place. So there you have it, guys. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all all the LEDs on. There they are, and let's turn on the bull bar for some extra lighting. So having these bright flashers and also having the nice bull bar, if we're in an emergency situation or we're stuck on the side of the road, everybody and their brother is going to see this truck from a couple miles away. So there you have it, and so cool deal. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. So very pleased with the install. Now everything matches on the outside, so very happy about that. So, but yeah, if y'all are looking for a brand, I do like Lasfit products. So they definitely seem to be really bright. I've actually installed some on my wife's car as well. So, and she loves them. So, but yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. So we'll see y'all.